to our Honorable Principal Sir, respected coordinator, teachers and my dear friends. Let us start our day with a prayer song. I call always to say the Bible verse from the Holy Bible. Today's Bible portion is taken from chapter 18, verse 7. He showed us through God with your face, sign that we may be saved. Amen. Now last prayer. Repeat the prayer after faithfully. Our Father in heaven, holy name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. I call Aiden to deliver today's thought for the day. Good morning. Today that is vegetables are the soul's food in the poet's inspiration and the just canvas. Thank you. Thank you, Aiden, for the beautiful thought. Sarah is here to present Tirukural for the day. Vanakkam, India Tirukural, Adakam, Ammararul, Oichum, Adangame, Adirul, Oitvidum, Parul, Adakam, Ailiyada, Pugalai, Padukkum, Adangame, Parvaye, Idulaki Vidum, Nanchi. Adoni here to present vocabulary for the day. Good morning. Today's vocabulary is bright, meaning shining, assembly, the bright, sunshine, mirror, paper, forward, beginning, cave. Hanabati here to present interesting fact. Comparing everyone, there in the tree facts are about vegetables, qualifiers, vegetable potassium, the core 95% water. Thank you. Tircity here to present health tips. Today's health today on date awareness after 5 p.m. Answer phone calls from last year. Thank you. Aurasini here to present moral value. Good morning everyone. Today's moral is work steadily to meet your goals. Treat others with kindness and respect. Thank you. Now my friends are here to say few thoughts about vegetables. Good morning everyone. Vegetables are the food. Some vegetables grow on trees and plants. Some vegetables grow under the soil. Every vegetable has different shape, size and color. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals and fibers. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Ginger is the healthy vegetable. It is dark and purple in color. It has fiber and vitamins. It controls blood pressure. It is also known as eggplant. Thank you. Good morning. Tomato is a juicy vegetables. It is red in color. It is round and soft. China is a larger producer of tomato. It is salty. Thank you. sincerely. Thank you. Morning everyone. Onion is a common vegetable. It is round in shape. It is made of many layers inside. It is used in many dishes. Tears come to our eyes when we cut onion. It goes under a gun. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Ladies finger is the green vegetable. It is asaka okra. It is long and thin in shape. It is grassy, warm and sunny places. Healthy and full of vitamins. Thank you. Cucumber is a candy vegetable. It is grey for outside, white for inside. It is used in salad. It is tannins inside. It is used in cool and full of water. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Pizza for key vegetable. Pizza water. Pizza full of vegetables. They are sweet and soft. They are good for the health. Children outdoor eat pizza. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Beetroot is those vegetables hit the ground and then the ground. It is red and purple colors. It is sweet and tasty. It is good for blood. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Cauliflower is a vegetable. It is white in color. It looks like big flower. It is good source of vitamin and fiber. Very tasty and healthy. Thank you. Vegetables are good for me. And so I eat happily. With a carrot here and a carrot there. Here a carrot, there a carrot, everywhere a carrot. Vegetables are good for me. Good morning everyone. Vegetables are the handsome heroes of our lives. They play crucial role in maintaining our health and well-being. We should be thankful to nature and farmer for such a precious gift. So let's be sure to include a variety of veggies nowadays. Thank you. Have a